yet another envelope of mysterious something. But this time my mom was involved. So she knows something. And she's either too drunk to be able to tell me or doesn't want to. I have a toy castle, a red cross, random half blocked out gibberish from the government that my dad collected over the years that doesn't make any sense. I have at least 2 people trying to kill me, or at least follow me. And now my mom knows something that she's not telling me. I'm not sure how much farther down this path I really want to go. But I'm already here. And I don't have a choice. Because the headaches don't stop, and the people don't stop, and nothing ever stops, and the envelopes keep coming, and the things keep happening, and people start showing up out of fucking nowhere. And now I have another envelope with more clues. And no answers. And these all just look like museum pictures? I don't know what to think anymore.